Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Welcome back friends. This is a 28-inch Samsung LED TV. The model number is UA28F4100AR. Here in this TV the fault is no power issue. Here actually the motherboard is damaged due to lighting. So here we already repaired the TV by installing the new universal LCD, LED motherboard. Here now we connected all connections in socket. Here the panel is non-HD panel. So in this board firmware support all type resolutions. Now the work is done. Now let's turn on the TV and check the display. See friends, now the TV is turned on. See now TV is working. But the panel mapping is not correct. For that we need to enter into the service mode. For that we need to press menu button on remote and press 8896 to enter in factory mode, then go to panel control, then, from given menu adjust the LVDS mapping. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with another interesting topic.